Alright, real quick video. There it is. There's the patch. Got a little bit of a hump there, right there. Got a ding there. So I'll probably bring out the stud welder and try that. Get that to come out. But no point in showing you guys the grinding. But I think I might be low because I didn't get the middle of it high enough when I was bending it, but what can you do? You know, but even on the ding, if you do a ding and stuff like that, you're supposed to do like that outside, so you know, we'll get that all set up, get that done, and get it going. Alright, one more door to go. That one will probably be a lot easier because when we cut it out, I'll actually have a pattern, so you know, I'll be able to bend it and shape it and things like that a lot better than this, because I had to cut that in 3 pieces. If I was able to cut that out in 1 piece, it probably would have shaped a little bit better. But not too shabby. I didn't do too bad with the welds. We'll get it all grinded out and ready to go. But thanks for watching. Alright guys. Peace.